Good morning. Today we will cover the introduction of SAP MM module. What is enterprise structure? Enterprise structure defines various levels in an organization. These levels are placed according to the hierarchy. Each level has some specific functionality associated with it. Which in a combined way describes the working of an organization. Also, enterprise structure defines various organizational units that are present in an enterprise. The organizational structure in MM consists of the following organizational levels. These are client, company code, plant, storage location, purchasing organization, and purchasing group. So, client is a commercial organizational unit within R3 system. R3 is a real-time third generation system with its own data, master records, and set of tables. So client is a commercial organizational unit in R3 system. It has own set of master data and independent table sets. According to hierarchy, client is at the highest level in SAP system. Data that is maintained at a client level is valid for all organizational levels. Coming to the next point, that is company code. Company code is within a client. Company code is the independent accounting unit. It is a legal entity that has its own profit, loss, and balance statement. It is the smallest unit in the organization for which a complete independent account sets can be replicated. Plant. Plant is an organizational unit within a company where activities are taking place. A plant will produce goods and makes goods available for the company. Plant is an organizational unit within a company where activities are taking place. Right. So a plant will produce goods and makes goods available for that company. That is a plant. It is the unit having manufacturing facility, warehouse, distribution center, or a regional sales office within logistic. It subdivides an enterprise in different aspects. Coming to the next point, that is storage location. Storage location is an organizational unit which actually differentiates between different material stocks in a plant. Storage location is a place where stock is kept physically. Plant can be consisting of multiple storage locations. All data is stored at the storage location level for a particular storage location. Physical inventory can be carried out at the storage location. Coming to the next point, that is purchasing organization. Purchasing organization is an organizational unit, okay, under the company or a plant which is responsible for procurement activities according to the requirements. It is responsible for external procurement. Purchasing organization can be at client level, that is the centralized purchasing organization. Purchasing organization can be at a company or a plant level, that is company specific or plant specific. Coming to the next point, that is the purchasing group. Okay, the purchasing group is a group of people who are responsible for the procurement, or it can be defined as the purchasing group is an organizational unit which is responsible for everyday procurement activities within an organization. It is a buyer or a group of buyer responsible for procurement activities in a purchasing organization. Okay, so these are some theoretical concepts. So we will go practically. Okay, I'm sharing the SAP screen with you so that you will clearly understood what is SAP. Okay, so first thing, we have to define the company. So by using two ways we can access the SAP. First, by using the menu path or by using T code. Okay, so we will go by using the menu path. Okay, so in the screen we have the path, that is SPRO IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and define company. Okay, so SPRO is a SAP project reference object. The long form of SPRO is SAP project reference object. Okay, and the long form of IMG is implementation guide. Okay, so here okay. So by using the first path, we will enter into the system. That is the first path, that is SPRO IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and define company. For defining the company, we will use this path. The maximum digits of the company will be 6, alphanumeric both. Okay, so what we want the combination, we can use the combination of alphanumeric. Okay, so SPRO IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and here the defined company is there. Okay, so this is the symbol for execute. Okay, and we will call this as the nodes. Okay, so we have to open these nodes to come into these symbols for executing the defined company. Okay, so if you want to create a new company, then we will execute the defined company. Okay, and we will go into the screen. Okay, so we have the screen. In that there is a symbol of new entries and a copy. Okay, so for the training purpose, we are going to copy. Okay, and for the project purpose, you have to create by using this new entry symbol. Okay, so first I will copy. Okay, I will select 1000. Okay, and I will copy by using this copy as symbol, and in that company I will edit this 1000 and I will write something different name. Okay, which is not there into the system. Okay, it should not be overwritten. So I will write something that is XYZ 1 2 3. Okay, this is my company code. Okay, so based on AG we will delete this and I will write something new, that is I will select this. Okay, already I created. I will change this address, some city. This can be same, Pune. I will change the country, that is India. Language key English, and the currency will be INR. Okay, by using this symbol, that is F4, we can get the list. Okay, so either we can edit. Okay, here is a symbol of find. We can use this find symbol for finding the INR. Okay, that is a country, so I will write ENGLIS, sorry, India. Okay, so India is there, that is IN. I will double click on this, and the IN will be there. Okay, so by entering, we will have to press enter. So here the code should be in 6 digits. So we created one company, that is XYZ123 AAJ Foods Private Limited. Okay, so after this creation, we have to save this. Whatever we have created, we have to save. Okay, there is a customizing request. Okay, so we can save, continue, it will get saved. Okay, so after the definition of the company, we have to define the company code. Okay, so again, SPRO IMG enterprise structure definition, financial accounting, and define company code. Okay, so I'm in SPRO IMG. After this, coming into enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. Okay, so below the define company, there is a edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay, so execute this, double click on copy, delete, check company code, and copy all the tables so that we can create the new by using copy. Okay, in a from company code, we have to write 1000. Okay, and company code, whatever we are creating, company code should be in the length of maximum digits will be 4. Okay, so I will use XYZ1. Yes, currency will be INR. Do you want to transport number ranges? No. So it will get saved. Okay. By using this, we can copy all the things, right? Yes, completed activities. That is company code 1000 copied to XYZ1. Go back and edit. In that edit, we can search. Okay, the company, whatever we have, company code, that whatever we have created. Okay, so that is a company code, whatever we have created. Okay, so after this, we have to create the plant, right? We have to create the plant. For creating the plant, we have this menu path IMG, enterprise structure, definition, logistic general, define company code, copy, delete, check plant, right? So in that, okay, enterprise structure, definition, logistic general, define, copy, delete, check. Define, copy, delete, check plant. Execute this. Double click on this, copy. From plant will be, you can select by using F4. We can select the standard one, okay, which are there in the into the system. Okay, these are some standard plants. To plant will be different than the company code. Do you want to really want to transport number in this? No. Okay, then we saved it. So completed activities, plant 1000 copy to XYZ2. So we can check. Okay, for checking, go to the define plant and check into the position whatever you have created XYZ2. That will be there, right? Standard plant, please. Okay, so we have to save this. Go back, and next is the storage location. Okay, so we have to check that is IMG, SPRO, IMG enterprise structure, definition, material management, maintain storage location. Okay, material management, there will be maintain storage location. Execute that. So we have to enter the plant here, XYZ2, whatever you created, you have to enter. Okay, so this is your plant. Okay. Go to new entries, and in the storage location, we have to enter XYZ3. Okay, so description will be raw materials. You can take anything. Okay, so save it. This will be your storage location. Go back and check in a position, that is XYZ3. Is there? Yes, there is an entry XYZ3. We can check. Okay, so we already saved it. Go back. So after this, we have to maintain the purchase organization. Okay, the path will be same. Go to new entries. That is your purchasing organization XYZ4. So description will be raw materials. You can copy or you can create new, right? So whenever you are copying, okay, so this is only for your training purpose. Okay, but if you want to work into an organization, for the configuration, we have to create new. Every time we have to create new. So save it. After this, go back, check into position, whatever you have created, X, Y, Z, 4. Yes, there is an entry. Okay, go back. Now we have to create the purchasing group, right? For the creation of purchasing group, there is a material management node. Click on that, go to purchasing, create purchasing groups. Okay. For creating purchasing groups, select on new entries. That will be your purchasing group. It should be 3 digits. Okay, 3 digits. So it will be X, Y, Z. So description will be for raw materials. That will be same. You can write in your telephone number. After this we have to save it. Okay. After saving this, go back and go to the position and search it, XYZ. There is an entry, right? This is your entry. So data already saved. Go back into the system, right? So by using this, we created our enterprise structure for MM. Okay, so that will be the enterprise structure for the MM. Now, after creation of the enterprise structure, we have to assign. Okay, the assignments are there. Why we want to assign? Okay, so assignments are very important because whatever we are creating into our system, it should be assigned to the company or company code. Okay, for fetching all the data, right? So to establish the relationship between the levels, okay, we have to assign them to one or other in such a way that still lie in the same hierarchy. For example, an company is at the top level and the plant is a below level, right? So it is necessary that plant has some relation with company, so we can able to fetch all the data related to the company, right? So there are 4 basic assignments are there. First one is assign company code to company. Okay, so we will assign company code to company. So SPRO IMG enterprise structure. There is a assignment symbol. Assignment is there. Okay, assignment node is there. We have to open that assignment node. Go to financial accounting. Assign company code to company. The first we have to execute. Position. Go to position, and in that you have to search the company code, whatever you created, XYZ1. That will be my company code. Okay, so I have to assign the company code to company. Okay, so I will write company here, XYZ 123. Okay, this is your company. Okay, and only we have to save. So I assigned company code to company, right? The next one is assign company code to the plant, right? So for that, it will be in a logistic general, as like we created in a definition in the logistic general. So the assignment will be same in logistic general. Okay, so assign plant to company code. Okay, so we have to search the plant XYZ to the new entries, go to new entries. Company code will be XYZ1, right? That is your company code. Write this. In a plant, we have to write your name, that is plant name. Two, that is your plant, right? And we have to save. So automatically, okay. So we have to assign the company code, that is XYZ1. Three. So go back, search for it, XYZ plant, that is XYZ2, XYZ2 not present. Okay. So whatever we have created into the, we have to write the company code here for assigning to the plant, and we have to write this ZZ11, whatever we created, the company code, and that is plant. Okay, and we have to save it, right? So it is already assigned, right? So go back into the system, and the next one is assign purchasing organization to company code, right? So for that purchasing organization, that will be into the materials management, right? So assign purchasing organization to company code, we have to assign this. So go to position, purchasing organization code XYZ4, that will be there into our screen, and we have to assign the company code, right? XYZ1 will be directly fetched from the system. So here we can save it. Next one is assign purchasing organization to plant. Go to new entries, purchasing organization, that is XYZ4 should be assigned to the plant, that is XYZ2. Save. Okay. So data was saved. So another assignment is there, that is standard purchase organization to come to the plant, right? So we have to do that. So go to position, enter that plant XYZ. I think it is 2. Search it. Yes, it is already assigned to the 1000. So plant is XYZ2 and purchasing organization is XYZ4. Yes, so we have to assign it. So we assigned, right? So the assignment is completed. So here we have created all the purchasing organization, purchasing group, everything we created for enterprise structure, and we assigned it, right? So we completed here the enterprise structure for the MM, right? So we created company code, plant, storage location, purchasing organization, and purchasing group. We created and we assigned with the company code with the plant, right? So here we completed the enterprise structure in the MM, right? Thank you.